No. Okay. This is me and another person. Not saying who. Okay. Made a giant. These mini muffins or croissants. No, biscuits. They made a giant one. It's filled with like strawberries, chocolate chips, and bananas.
Oh.
That doesn't look so good. Oh my gosh. The screen fogged up. No. Don't do anything. Yeah, okay. That's from chocolate chips. And I'm really beginning to be a cook myself, okay? But these things are really, really good. And like, they are so good.
And we put strawberries and like
Chocolate chips and
bananas and all kinds of stuff in them. And then some are just plain.
Yeah, these are so good.
Yeah, you can get the recipe, like the recipe on the website from a link on, yeah.
No, don't.
No, but they're called like baking powder biscuits.
Oh yeah, baking powder biscuits. That's the type.
Oh yeah, and
it was on allrecipes.com. I don't have the link to it. Sorry, but
yeah. But then they're made with like no eggs, so anyone who's allergic to eggs or like
can eat
candied
them.
eggs, yeah, they're
so good.